Hi guys! In this video you will learn how to allow camera access on Roblox. Well, to do that, tap your application store on your mobile device, then search for Roblox. After that, download or install your Roblox or update it if you haven't already. Then in here, tap the play button and log in to your Roblox. Then go to your home screen and find the Roblox icon, then long tap the icon and tap the app info. Then in here, tap the permissions and tap camera button. Then tap allow only while using the app. And that's out to allow camera access on Roblox. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.